Hello guys, if your NVIDIA app not recording your voice while recording your video, then this video is for you. I have watched many problem solving video on YouTube for this issue, but they didn't work. So I gave a try by myself and found this, so I thought it would help the internet. So I'm going to share it with you guys. Let's have a look. All you have to do is open your NVIDIA overlay. Then you have to go to the settings option on the top of the right corner, then go to audio, then check this audio tracks. If your audio tracks is selected as separate tracks, then you have to change it. To change this function, you have to go back to this instant replay and you have to uncheck this instant replay to change that option. So I have unchecked this instant replay and going back to settings option on the top of the right corner of this NVIDIA overlay. Then make sure you do this change separate tracks to single track. Then if you want, you can check your instant replay option. Now what is you hearing the chirping sound of the background? That is the real-time recording of my background noise or voice, whatever you say, through my NVIDIA recording app. So guys, I hope this will fix your issue and you can record your voice over while recording through NVIDIA recording app. Thank you very much for watching my video.